Minnesota is seeing a steady rise in the number of COVID-19 cases. Part of that can be attributed to a big increase in testing. This week, public health officials were in Anoka for a free testing event. CTN's Steve Antis has more.
Hi, you were registered today?
The National Guard has been mobilized to the front lines to help in the battle against COVID-19.
We have the capacity to test about 120 or so an hour.
Incident Command for State Emergency Operations Center Heather Hirsch took us through the site. It's one of 6 such events happening this week across the state, meant to increase no barriers testing.
5 seconds in each nostril, and it's very quick. There's no pain, I promise. I've had it done several times.
Test results generally come back within 72 hours.
We are aware that the cases in Anoka County are going up.
Anoka County Public Health was assigned COVID-19 response activities by the state, according to their director, Janelle Hubbard.
And what that structure does is it predetermines roles and responsibilities. So when emergencies occur, we can quickly activate and respond to community needs.
And that means mass testing for the virus. Officials have seen increased levels of community spread throughout Anoka County, and they are working to ensure mission-critical staff are ready when needed.
For example, police, fire, EMS, and 911 staff are making sure that those infrastructures can be maintained and so that they can respond to our community needs.
As of this week in Anoka County, there have been over 123,000 people tested for coronavirus, and of those, 6.4% have tested positive, compared to the state average of 5.2%.
We know we have a lot of individuals who may not have access to health care, may not have access to a clinic.
And while state efforts are aimed at community testing for COVID-19, public health officials still want everyone to get their seasonal flu shot.
We're just really encouraging people to take personal responsibility for their health and protecting themselves. When they protect themselves, they will be protecting others around them.
In Anoka, Steve Antis reporting for Community Update.
The Minnesota Department of Health has tested nearly 25,000 people across the state. Next week, they'll be testing in 4 more locations, including Cambridge and Monticello. Also, there's a push to open more saliva testing sites, with one opening up in Brooklyn Park on October 20th.